Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our Sunshine State of Mind collection that is coming on June 1st. But before we dive in, hello if you're new here, please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So, summer collection, it's here. I'm so excited because Scentsy has been giving us consultants early access to the fragrances coming in future collections, which is freaking amazing because now I can tell you my thoughts. I've formed them. I can tell you about how they last, what scents I think you're gonna like, what scents I think are gonna be great in like the counter clean and the hand soap, everything coming. So the Sunshine State of Mind collection is our summer collection this year. We have 3 brand new fragrances. We have brand new warmers, we have counter clean and Scentsy Fresh and hand soap, and a freaking travel pillow. I'm excited. I'm really excited for this collection, so it makes me happy. So before we dive in, let's just start from the beginning with the wax and warmer in our Sunshine State of Mind collection. So our large summertime warmer will be available for $55. Surrounded by palm trees on a frosted glass finish, this friendly message gives you permission to let your summer self shine. The large one takes a 25-watt bulb. It does glow when lit and it sits 6.5 inches tall. We will also have the summertime warmer available as a mini warmer for $25. It is the same design, same great message, but it is a mini warmer, so that means it has a 15-watt bulb. It sits 4 inches tall and it is a glass mini warmer, so you can either use the wall plug-in base that it comes with, or you can get a glass tabletop base to add this warmer to any flat surface. So now let's talk fragrances. We have 3 brand new scents and they're all freaking incredible. I love them. So in alphabetical order, we're going to start with Ocean Air and Coconut Water. So Ocean Air and Coconut Water is in the fresh fragrance family, and this one is coconut water and white driftwood. Join carefree ocean air for a perfect day on the shore. I love woodsy fragrances. I love woodsy fruity fragrances. I love woodsy fresh fragrances and woodsy citrus. I love woods fragrances. I've discovered that about myself, that the woods fragrance family is my preferred family. I just love woods. And so this is a fresh woods fragrance that is perfect for summertime. If you want a beachy air, like tropical beachy air fragrance, look no further, because Ocean Air and Coconut Water, this is what you need. It's so nice. If you love scents like by the sea, and like clean breeze and like Atlantic air, any scents like that, you're going to love this one. It warms perfectly with Blue Coconut Beach from the Mother's Day collection. It also warms perfectly with High Mountain Lake from the Father's Day collection. And it warms great with the June scent of the month, the Pacific Mist. So all great choices to pair with this one. I think all of those would complement. I absolutely adore Ocean Air and Coconut Water. So next we have the Pineapple and Dragon Fruit. I'm looking on the computer. Pineapple and Dragon Fruit is in the fruity fragrance family, and this one is a bubbly mix of pineapple, dragon fruit, and sparkling lemon. Shines bright with a touch of crystallized sugar. It's so good. It's just so good, so fruity, and so different. It's not just that typical like raspberry and cherry and something I don't know. Like, it's just different to me. I really love this. This is pineapple, dragon fruit, a great fruity fragrance. All 3 of these scents warm great together too, by the way. So if you literally just want to warm all 3 of these together, they do. Because then we also have Tangerine and Sugarcane. So this one is also fruity. This one is definitely a more fruity citrus to me. It is sweet ruby grapefruit, juicy tangerine, and sugarcane. Soak up every sunny moment. So I am really picky about grapefruit. I don't like a tart grapefruit, like a sourish grapefruit, because grapefruit can be done the wrong way, in my personal opinion. This is the perfect sweet version of grapefruit. And tangerine, that sugarcane is what wraps it together and makes it very sweet and spring and summery. I definitely would think of this more of a citrus scent, but it is in the fruity fragrance family. I would say this one's the citrus, I would say this one is the fruity, and this one definitely is a fresh woods. So all three of these are brand new, and they're going to be available as waxes. You will be able to purchase them individually, or you can bundle and save with other regular Scentsy Bar fragrances, including the Bring Back My Bar collection that is coming on June 1st. These are also eligible for Scentsy Club, so if you fall in love with these, starting on June 1st, these will be available to add to your Scentsy Club subscriptions, and once they retire or sell out, you will still get these. These will lock in, as Always Get My Bar fragrances, in your club thanks to Club's perk. So if you add these to your Scentsy Club in June, and then once they sell out or retire and will no longer be available for purchase, they will get a special little icon on the bar in your club, meaning that they have locked in as Always Get My Bar. So you will continue to get them even if they don't return in a future catalog or collection or future Bring Back My Bar or clearance. You're still going to get them shipped straight to your door with your club. So these fragrances are also going to be available in some other products. So we will have 2 of these scents available in pods. So pods are this is not one of the new ones, this is a Short Lie Drive. But pods are our fragrance category, fragrance product for our wall fans, air purifiers, the mini fan diffuser, the Scentsy Go, any of our fan delivery systems. So you will be able to get pods in Tangerine and Sugarcane and the Ocean Air and Coconut Water. Pods will be available individually, and you can also bundle and save with other regular Scentsy pod fragrances. So again, any fan delivery system, the air purifier, which we have a special on going on in May, by the way. We also have the Scentsy Go and the Scentsy Go Solid, the portable cordless charge it and go system, and then we have the mini fan diffuser and the wall fans. Any of the wall fans you can use pods with. So the pineapple dragon fruit will not be available as pods, but it will be available as a counter clean and a bathroom cleaner. So if you love this scent, I think this is a great choice. If I had to pick any of these scents for like a clean product, I would definitely choose this one. So this one is going to be available as our counter clean for $10 and our bathroom cleaner for $10, both available individually, and you will be able to bundle and save the bathroom cleaner and counter clean with other Scentsy fragrances, like regular catalog scents. We do have some body and laundry coming as well. We have 2 hand soaps. So Tangerine and Sugarcane and the Pineapple Dragon Fruit will be available as a hand soap. I think I have one from the Whiff Box. Yeah, so I have one from the Whiff Box right here. This came in the May Whiff Box. I haven't opened it up yet just because we're not running low. But the fruity and the, I'm going to call it citrus, I'm sorry. Citrus and the fruity scents, they're going to be available as hand soaps. Love that. These are the new bottles of our hand soaps. They are 11 fluid ounces and they're $9 a piece. And lastly, with these fragrances, we're gonna have Scentsy Fresh Spray and the Tangerine and Sugarcane. So the Scentsy Fresh Spray is the fabric freshener, so you can use it on any fabric surface around your home or in your car. The Fresh Spray works great in the car, like on your like carpeted floor, or if you have like carpet like seats, it works great in there. So you can use this on rugs, you can use it on curtains, you can use it on blankets, comforters, cloth, anything. And it's going to be available in Tangerine and Sugarcane for $12. So lastly, we have some buddy clips and a brand new product. So we have 2 buddy clips coming. We have the Raise and Shine Scentsy Buddy Clip that comes in sparkling yellow. So this buddy clip is a beautiful plush sun with a happy smiley face, and it is scented in sparkling yellow, which is radiant lemonade brightened by flashes of zesty grapefruit and pineapple. This scent was from the Chasing Rainbows collection last year, and it actually made it into the catalog. And then we will also have the Happy Thoughts buddy clip that is scented in rainbow red. Again, for $18. This buddy clip is in rainbow red, which is soft watermelon hues, highlight the sweetness of cherry and strawberry. This one was also from the Chasing Rainbows collection. These buddy clips are filled with scented beads. They're super cute on-the-go clips, and they are perfect for decorating backpacks and more. Last but not least in this collection, we have a brand new item, which is the Unicorn Scentsy Buddy Travel Pillow. So this one will be available for $45. It is kind of just like a Scentsy Buddy. It comes with a free scent pack of choice. So every moment becomes magical when there's a unicorn. Made with memory foam, this travel pillow keeps things comfy on the road. Relaxing at home and everywhere in between includes one scent pack of choice. So it sits 12 inches tall if you're sitting it like straight up, and it is a unicorn. So yes, this is a beautiful pink unicorn. I am kind of sad to not really see a boy option. I know a lot of us are kind of asking like, okay, like what's the boyish option? Like we could have had a dragon or a dinosaur. That would have been really, really cute. So I don't know. I don't make the product. I just share it. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is the Sunshine State of Mind collection, the full collection coming on June 1st. So I am taking pre-orders, and it actually launches same day, same time as the June Scent and Warmer of the Month, which I will have this video posted right here, and the June Bring Back My Bar lineup. So I haven't actually filmed that video yet, but it will be next week. But you can actually pre-order any of the collections coming on June 1st with me. Just fill out the Google form linked down below, and I'll reach out to you over the next week to finalize your order. I would love to hear down in the comments, what are your opinions on the collection? Did you get the whiff box? If you got the whiff box, you literally get to smell all of the scents coming in the Sunshine State of Mind collection, because you got one bar of each of the new scents. And you also got the hand soap. So really, really great whiff box. I loved the May whiff box. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me, and have a great day.